So one thing I get asked a lot is, how do you check the sunroof drains and see if they're clogged? So I'm going to show you a quick way of checking your sunroof drains on your car to make sure that they're not clogged and dumping water inside the car. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is open the sunroof and then locate the drains. Now, in the front, you're going to see a drain in each corner. Okay, each corner you see that drain. It's right there. And this tray right here, this is where your water actually drips in. Now it's supposed to drip in because the seal on the sunroof doesn't really seal out the water. It basically just seals out most of it, and then you have some drips coming in here. But that's why they put this tray in, so it catches the water and then drains out the drain in the corners. Now you can't see the rear drains because obviously the glass is back there. So what you need is a bottle of water. All right, so it's pretty simple. You just take your water, pour it into the drain. All right, you watch it go right over to the drain over there. Okay, and you can keep pouring, and if the water goes down the drain, that tells you that it's draining out properly. Okay, so if it is draining, it should come out behind one of the front tires. And in this case, it's coming out in front of in back of the left front tire. So I know that my drain is working, it is connected, and there's no water leaking into the car from the sunroof drain. So if your sunroof drain was clogged, you'd either have water leaking in here. If it's clogged and it's backing up, it could possibly leak into the headliner here in the corners and also in the back of the vehicle as well, because it backs up and that tray fills up, and it can even spill over the edge of the sunroof tray if it gets too full, if the drains are not draining. But typically if you have a hose that's disconnected or something, you'll start seeing your headliner get wet right the bottom of the drain. So check those areas first, and then also down in the corners down here, if the sunroof drain was disconnected at the bottom, you could possibly have water leaking onto the floor down there. It's very rare to have the sunroof drains become disconnected because they are behind panels and stuff, so you can't even get close to these things, and they're usually routed like in the metal part of the body, so it's very difficult to have these things become detached behind these panels. But it certainly isn't impossible, especially if you had body work done on your car and someone forgot to reattach it, or you had something changed behind your dash. So if you wanted to check your rear drains, you'd have to put your car at an angle and have it tilted back. Either jack up the front end with a floor jack or something, or park it on a hill, or bring the wheels up on some ramps or something. Just have the car tilt backwards, and the water should drain out behind the rear wheels. And again, your tubes run all inside the vehicle. Usually, the sunroof will end right about, if you're looking at it, right about here, and the drain will come down and it'll go right down behind the rear tire. So that's it, guys. That's how you check your sunroof drains. So if you guys get any questions about the sunroof drains, just leave them in the comment box below and I'll answer them for you. And if you like my videos, just please subscribe. I'm going to be putting up videos and just showing you guys these simple techniques that we use at the dealership to find water leaks and all kinds of other things, little tricks of the trade. So leave a comment box below and I'll answer them for you. So take care, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. If you prefer reading an article, check out my articles at simplecaranswers.com. Give you some tips and tricks on how to fix cars and some of the problems that we find, and get some good information there. And you can share it with people that are having issues with their cars as well. So check it out, and simplecaranswers.com.